guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you the helmet that I'm riding for the last couple of days, more than a couple of days, and we are talking about the AGV K3 2023 model, which means it's homologated with the latest, at least in Europe, which is the 2206. And basically this has two implications. It's more safe and it's a little bit more heavier than the predecessor, the K3 SV, and that's one of the big differences between both of them. Another difference is the K3 SV only has 3 air entries on the top. This one only has 2, but they do work fine. They are easy to reach with your hand, easy to open, no big issues there. The ventilation is good. If you guys follow my videos, you can see that I'm a bold guy, so whenever I open these vents, I do feel the air on my ball head, so I do think it's good. We have the exhaust in the rear, everything works like a charm. Continue a little bit more down, we do have this nice visor, front visor, okay, nice field of view, anti-scratch material and all that stuff, pin lock ready. But not only pin lock ready, they supply you with the pin lock on the box. It's a pin lock max something, I don't know the specifications, but it is supplied. You don't need to worry about buying a pin lock, it comes with this beautiful helmet. Another thing, if you want, it does have a sun visor, interior sun visor, which is also good. If you don't want to wear sunglasses, just pull the sun visor down. It's a little mechanism here underneath the helmet on the left side. It works without any issues. It doesn't interfere with my nose, at least it's not touching my nose. I do not have a big nose. I don't know people with big nose if that will be a problem, but in my case it works okay. Again, this sun visor also is anti-scratch, so not that you are gonna start scratching the visor, but at least it is anti-scratch, and it works, like I said, it works fine. The locking system, it's a micromatic system. It's the most used nowadays, and I used to like this system a lot because it's super easy to remove, to lock and unlock. But since I started wearing helmets with the double D or double ring system, I do prefer that system nowadays. But this is a personal taste, just to let you know. I also was against double D until I try it. More things here about this helmet. It will come in 6 sizes and 3 shell sizes, and this is another improvement over the K3 SV. The K3 SV only had 2 shell sizes, but which means it will fit more people and blah 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 blah. I'm not here to explain you why there is 3 shell sizes. Of course, then you will have a lot of colors. I'm particularly riding this yellow one, which goes well with this yellow jacket that I'm having at the moment. More things I forgot to mention. On the interior, we do have the cutouts for intercoms if you want, and also the cutouts for sunglasses, okay, if you don't want to, if you need, or sunglasses or normal glasses, okay, because you have the sun visor. If you need glasses to ride, you can have them. You have those cutouts. Interior, super comfortable. I do like the interior, it's very comfortable, my friends. It is washable, it is antibacterial, it is all that stuff that you have nowadays. The thing here is the sound inside. This is the sound that you're listening with the helmet closed, and I'm going to explain the sound a little bit. And now I'm going to open the visor, and this is the sound with the visor open, okay? Here we go, having fun. Why I was talking about sound? Because I do have several helmets on my lineup. This same kind of helmets, the sport touring helmets like this one, and I'm gonna close the visor again. Like I was saying, the same kind of helmets, and one of them, it's the sound or the sound quality, or the less sound I have inside, it's better than on this AGV K3. The other one, it's definitely worse than this one, and I'm gonna explain you why. Why I think this one is not at the level of the other one, because I do not have this chin guard here on the underneath the helmet to protect from the wind. The other one, I have that chin guard, and that makes all the difference, because I tried to ride the other one without the chin guard, and the sound will probably come down to the level of this one, and that chin guard makes all the difference when you are riding, especially if you are riding naked or some kind of motorcycle that doesn't have these windscreens that protects you from the wind. Okay, in my case, I do now I'm riding the Maxim TL 508. I do have this protection. Barely no wind I feel, or barely no noise I feel inside the helmet, because there is practically no wind coming on my helmet. But I had the pleasure to ride it with other motorcycles, and trust me, there where if you don't have this protection, you will feel the wind, definitely. Let me just take a minute here to clarify something. As you can see, I'm on a different motorcycle, different setup, but this helmet does have the chin protection for the wind. It's included in the box. This particular unit that I am test riding didn't come with it, because it's a display unit. It's those kind of units that you see on the stores. They put there for people to try to see if it fits and everything, and when they do that, they remove the chin protection, because people tend to take them home as souvenirs. With this in mind, I'm pretty sure that the quality of the noise, or the no noise inside the helmet, it will rise to the level of the other helmet which is my other personal helmet, which I was talking, and it is really good. And basically this is it, guys. It is a very good helmet for the price. I do recommend this helmet. It's an AGV. It's 2206 homologation, and if you guys follow helmets and everything, you know that every helmet manufacturer this year has to come with the 2206 homologation, which means it is more safe, because it needs to comply with more rules to be approved. Another thing, I also mentioned the weight. This helmet on the M size, it comes around the 1602 grams. Again, it will be slightly over the K3 SV, which is the previous model, but safety wise, it's way better than the previous model, and you will feel more safe. Having said this, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my other videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!